Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Figaro from the movie Pinocchio. So I'm going to start drawing Figaro with the nose. We can start with a little shape like this, and then a little top to the nose here. And then we can come on down on the side a little bit, and then do a little squiggle, and then extend this line out and bring it up a bit, and we can put a little top to that line. And now Figaro's mouth is going to be open. We can do a little hill inside. It's going to be the tongue. And now let's see, we're going to do a little line right here, and this is going to come down and then come on up and then down again, and then it's going to follow along the open mouth, and then we're going to bring this line down here right there to connect with the other one. So now let's work on some eyes. We can do a big oval right here, and then put another oval there on the side. And then over here, we can put a little bit of a curved line, and then do another eye with the same inside shape. And I'm going to put a little circle right there, and on this side too. And I'm going to color this part in all black. And same over here. Okay, so next thing we're going to do, let's work on the face. So I'm going to bring a line down here by the eye, and then come on out this way, and then bring it in here by the mouth, and that line is going to kind of be in under the chin area, and we'll bring it on out here, curve it on up, and then bring it up over the eye, bring it down a little bit, and up again, and then we can extend this line to match up with that. Now we can curve this for a bit of a head shape. We could put an ear right here and a bit of fur here on the side, some cheek fur. Over on this side, we can do the other ear and shape like this for the inside of the ear. And now let's do some fluff. And doesn't matter if it's big, little bits, as long as it's just some cheek fur. And we can do some whiskers here on the insides of the ear, and here by the nose, and under Figaro's chin we'll do some fur and bring it on down. A bit of fur right here, and bring this line down, and this is going to be a front paw. So we've got like 3 bits right here, 3 little toes, and I'm going to do a big curve right here, and we can have a foot. So let's do 1, 2, 3 little toes for the foot, and bring that on up. And I'm kind of curve this and do some bits of fur. And over here, we can bring down another little front foot. 1, 2, 3 little toes. And make this line match up to right here. And bring it up a bit. And we can draw a little line going this way because the little feet are going to be white and the rest is going to be black. So we'll do a little line there and kind of add some spiky bits for fur texture. So same right here. And now we need a little tail. So I'll do the tail coming out on this side. And draw a little line coming on up and back down. And the tip of the tail is white and the rest is black. So we can do a little line to separate where those colors are. And there we go. We've got our sketch finished. And now I'm going to start adding color. All right, everyone, we're finished our picture of Figaro. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.